Hello there, and welcome back to InkLingo. I'm Alex, so glad you're here. Today's story is called La Poubelle de Monsieur Dupont qui Bloquait le Couloir, and it's set in French at a lovely beginner, A0 level. In the InkLingo app, you can tap any word to translate it instantly, save new vocabulary, and track your progress. Before we dive in, let's warm up with a few keywords. First, la voisine, meaning the neighbor. Next, frappe, meaning knocks. Then we have bloque, meaning blocks or is in the way. And contente, meaning happy or pleased. Finally, la poubelle, meaning the trash can. Here's the setup. A big trash can is blocking the hallway, and Marie needs to get through. Let's listen and find out what happens next.
La poubelle est dans le couloir. Elle est très grande. Elle est verte et grise. La poubelle bloque le couloir. Marie est la voisine de Monsieur Dupont. Elle habite ici aussi. Elle a 2 grands sacs. Elle arrive dans le couloir. Marie voit la grande poubelle. Oh non, la poubelle bloque. Marie ne passe pas. Elle pose ses sacs. Elle attend. Marie frappe à la porte. 1, 2, 3. Elle appelle. Monsieur Dupont? Monsieur Dupont ouvre la porte. Il regarde le couloir. Il voit la grande poubelle. Il est surpris. Il dit « Oh, pardon, Marie !» Monsieur Dupont prend la poubelle. Il pousse la poubelle. Il entre dans son appartement. La poubelle n'est plus là. Marie passe dans le couloir. Elle sourit. Elle est très contente.
And there we have it. Monsieur Dupont finally moved the trash can, and Marie could pass through the hallway with a big smile. If you want to read more stories with tap to translate, word saving, karaoke highlighting, progression tracking, and many more features, check out the InkLingo app. You can also read hundreds of stories for free on the website at inklingo.app. Thanks so much for listening, and I'll see you next time.